Hello everyone, welcome to Cook with Olivia. I'm an avid user for more than 10 years now, an active Thermomix advisor, and the author of 2 award-winning cookbooks, Chinese Flavours and the Spoonfuls of Love. Today, I will be sharing with you a delicious recipe, Nyonya Asam Fish Curry, which is from my Peranakan family. Before we start, like and share this cooking show with your family and friends, and let's enjoy the cooking show together. So first, I'm going to blend the spices. There's lemongrass, shallots, turmeric and garlic. I'm going to place in the mixing bowl to blend. I'm going to repeat the step again. So you blend it till you get a fine paste like this. So I used to watch my mother using the pestle and mortar, and it was very tedious. And now using the Thermomix, it's really effortless. Okay, especially blending everything together using the chop mode. You do not need to set because it has been included in the mode so that you can just automatically call out the step. Okay, next I'm going to add in oil, shrimp paste, chili paste, sugar, salt and curry leaves, when cooking above 98 degrees, we will replace with the simmering basket. So next we're going to cook for 10 minutes at 120 degrees. So with the Thermomix, I really love it that I do not need to be stirring while sauteing the spices, and I can be beautiful and white without getting any oil splatters or any sauce on my outfit. Alright, so next I'm going to share more with you about the Chinese Flavours Cookbook. The Chinese Flavours Cookbook consists of 50 delicious recipes. They are very easy to follow, and you can easily replicate restaurant quality dishes at the comfort of your home, of course with your Thermomix. So let's have a look at the recipes. So in front, the first few pages, there are ingredients easily for you to shop when you're at the supermarket. So in case you do not know some of the ingredients, you can refer here. There are also spices, Chinese dried condiments. The sauces that I use for the recipes are all here. You can refer it in the first few pages of the cookbook. And it is categorized. There are in chicken, there's also some pork dishes, seafood. If you like clams, okay, which normally is very popular at the restaurant, you can also cook it at home here. We have noodles, soups. So now there are many recipes here. Watercress soup is very popular. Lotus groundnut soup. Okay, these are all my own family recipes. And there is also chicken essence. Okay, if you need to boost your immunity, this is a recipe which you must try, right? And at the back, there are a lot of Chinese desserts, okay? So these are my favorite desserts, which you can follow here. Okay, the Hong Kong double steamed egg pudding, which is one of my favorite. And of course, many children like this as well, right? So a lot of beautiful recipes from my family to yours, okay? This is a cookbook which you must have, okay? Now I can smell the beautiful aroma of the spices in here. Okay, now it is done. Wow, look at that. The beautiful aroma of the blended spices. Okay, and it's really effortless and I didn't have to stir at all. Okay, so next I'm going to add the butterfly. So all you need to do is insert right on top of the mixing knife. Okay, next I'm going to add in the torch gingerbread and the tamarind mixture. Okay, next I'm going to cook this for 7 minutes. Remember to place the simmering basket on top. Next, I'm going to share with you a bit about Spoonfuls of Love. So Spoonfuls of Love cookbook is specially created for young children as early as 6 months onwards. So there are 60 recipes in here, and I have a pediatric nutrition background. So I've shared a lot of tips. And many children now, they do have food intolerances, they have a lot of allergies. So there are lots of tips in here to share with you about the do's and don'ts of what to feed your children. Okay? And especially for young tummies, very important is not to start feeding them at as early as 6 months onwards. Okay? So this is very suitable for parents, guardians, or even grandparents, okay? So I hope you would love the recipes which are created in this cookbook. So today, why I share this recipe is I feel that there are a lot of holidays and festivities coming up soon. So this is a hearty dish which you can bring for potlucks, for parties, and everyone loves this dish. Okay, it's ready. Okay, next I will add in the tomatoes, okra, and the sliced fish. So I'm using Spanish mackerel today. You can also use other types of fish such as grouper or snapper. Okay, and cook for 7 minutes. Reverse and slow stir. Okay, so a tip for you is that if you do not want to cook using sliced fish, you can also steam a whole fish with the varoma. So you place a plate here, a steaming plate, and you can steam a whole fish such as pomfret. You can also use snapper, grouper, so any type of fish you would like, and you can cook the sauce in here, and then after that you can place the fish onto a big plate and pour the sauce over. Alright, so this is a little tip for you. So next we'll prepare this dish, and there's some bunga kantan for garnishing later. Alright, it is done. Wow, look at that. Looks really, really good. Okay, so I'm going to pour some of the curry in there. Looks so good. Okay, and then add some bunga kantan for garnishing. Okay, it is done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have truly enjoyed cooking with you. Do try this dish and share with me at Cook with Olivia Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening. Good night.